What we will do the discussion of the test paper. Okay, guys. Okay, that's good. Audible and visible. Okay, Archita, Tanisha. Okay, right now everybody, just see here. I'm audible as well as visible. So let's start with the discussion of the test paper. See here. First of all, we will talk about question number 01. Is there anyone who still has any problem with question number 1? Okay, let me see the chat box. Yes. Yes. Who is talking to right now? I think Aman or Aryan. Okay, Aman, go ahead. Okay, it may happen. So let me pronounce the question also because questions are not in sequence. So let me pronounce the questions also. Question number 01 as I have. The question is the angle made by the j cap plus k cap with y axis. Is this question clear to everyone? The angle made by j cap plus k cap with y axis. Right answer is C part. That is 45 degree. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Sister is telling me it's clear. What about rest of the students? Okay, clear. Okay, guys. Final call for question number 01. Is there anyone who still has any doubt in question number 1? Okay, clear. So I hope there is. Yes, I can see Bhargav clear, Vedita clear. Okay, guys, final call. In question, okay, question number 01 is clear to everyone, I think, everyone. So, let's talk about question number 02. Second question की बात करते हैं. See here, question is like this. If two vectors 2i cap plus 2j cap plus k cap and b equals to 2i cap plus 6j cap minus mk cap are perpendicular to each other, okay, then the value of small m is. Okay, question number 02. Two vectors are perpendicular to each other. As I told you in the last class, yes, Bhargav, I think. Okay, which part is your right option? Question number 02. I think it is C part. Clear, guys? Okay, that's good. See here, as I told you in our theory lectures, हमेशा ध्यान रखना, whenever two vectors are perpendicular to each other, what we are supposed to calculate? We are supposed to calculate the dot product of the vectors. Clear, guys? जब भी दो वेक्टर के बीच का एंगल 90 डिग्री होगा, we will take dot product, and whenever the angle is 0 or the vectors are parallel to each other, in that case what we will take? We will take dot cross product. Okay, that's good. Okay, guys, final call. Question number 02. Is there anyone who still has any doubt? Clear. Okay, Ishka is telling me clear. Suyash, Aryan. Okay, that's good. That's good, guys. No doubt. Okay. Question number 03. Obviously, question is quite easy. F1 3, the resultant of three forces. F1 equals to 3i cap minus 4j cap plus 2k cap. F2 equals to 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap. And F3 equals to something. Okay. I hope this question is also clear to everyone. Resultant means what? We are simply supposed to add all the vectors. Resultant of vectors simply means addition of vectors. Clear, guys? Resultant of vectors, yes. Okay, so question number 03. I hope it's clear. Okay, it's clear to everybody. No doubt at all. Okay, so look, let's talk about question number 04. Okay, यहाँ पे देखो question number 04 क्या है? Try to understand. A motorboat is going in river with a velocity 4i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. If the resisting force due to the stream is F equals to 5i cap minus 10j cap plus 6k cap, then the power of the motorboat. Clear, guys? Power का formula मैंने बताया था. What is the formula of power? P equals to F dot V. So you are simply supposed to calculate the dot product. Yes, 48. Okay, 46. Okay, very good, guys. Very good. Keep it up. Question number 04 का 46. What is the right option? Clear, guys? Just let me know if there is anyone who still has any doubt. Final call for question number 04. I hope it's clear to everyone. Okay. Ishika, you have a little bit problem. As I can see, Ishika has a little bit problem. So see here. Question number 04. What is this? Velocity is given as 4i cap. Okay. Minus 2j cap plus k cap. See here, Ishika, I am solving for you. If the force is given as is given as 5I cap minus 10 j cap plus 6k cap. See it. And what we are supposed to calculate? We are supposed to calculate the power. तो याद रखो पावर के बारे में मैंने क्या बताया था? पावर इज द डॉट प्रोडक्ट. किसका डॉट प्रोडक्ट? इट्स अ डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फोर्स एज वेल एज वेलोसिटी. क्लियर गाइस? ओके. So see here how to calculate power. Whenever we want to calculate power, see here, we will write down the formula P equals to F dot V. What is the value of force? That is 4I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. We will take the dot product with velocity, that is 5I cap minus 10j cap plus 6k cap. अब देखो डॉट प्रोडक्ट के रूल मैंने क्या बताया थे? I component will get multiplied by I component. J के कोएफिशिएंट को J से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और K के कोएफिशिएंट को हमें किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? K से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. क्लियर? So as you can see, 4 into 5, what is the answer? 20. Minus 2 into minus 10, what is the answer? Plus 20. 1 into 6, that will be 6. So final answer 46, and the standard unit of power is watt. So your final answer is 46 watt. Okay, Ishita, I hope this question is clear to you. Video is breaking. See here guys, Ranjit is telling me like video में थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. What about rest of the students? Okay, Ishita, it's clear. It's clear. Okay, so Ranjit, do one thing. Ranjit बेटा एक काम करो, पेज को थोड़ा सा रिफ्रेश कर लो. Maybe after then you will have clear video. Okay. So this was question number 04. I hope it's clear to everyone. Let's talk about question number 05. Same question. A and B are two perpendicular vectors given by A equals to something and B equals to something. Then the value of C. Guys, question number 05. Anyone has any doubt? The question is similar to question number 04. Okay guys, I can see in the chat box. Is there anyone who still has any doubt? Just let me know. Yeah, I can see 58 users are there. Yeah, clear? 58 users are clear. 58 users are there, and I hope all of them are clear. Archita, which question we are talking about? Question number 05. Okay. Okay, Archita, question number. Okay. Question number 05, I am repeating again. If A and B are two perpendicular vectors given by A equals to 5I cap plus 7j cap plus 3k cap and B equals to 2I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, then the value of C is. Okay, Ajita, just see here and let me know whether you are clear or not. Clear? Okay, very good. Minus side is the right option. Okay guys, keep telling me answers also, so that if anyone has any doubt, so that I can know. Okay. Very good. चलो ठीक है भाई. तो up to question number 05, everything is clear. Let's talk about question number 06. Okay, let me see the chat box. Okay, question number 06. It's clear to everyone. 6th question की बात करते हैं. If 0.5 I cap plus 0.8 j cap plus c k cap is a unit vector, then C is. Okay, it's a unit vector, so obviously its magnitude must be equals to 1. Clear guys? If it is a unit vector, obviously its magnitude equals to 1. So what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to calculate the magnitude of the vector and place it equals to 1. Okay, let me know if anyone has any doubt. Okay, it's clear. Very good. Very good. Anisha, yes. Anisha, are you trying to say something? Just let me know. Do you have any problem with this question? Okay, that's good. That's good. So see here guys, I can see it's clear to everyone. Repeat. Okay, Ranjit, see here the question is like this. If 0.5 I cap plus 0.8 j cap plus ck cap is the unit vector, then the value of C is. Okay, Ranjit, I hope it's clear now. Just let me know if you have any doubt in this question. Okay, Ranjit, where are you? Samiksha, okay, it's okay. Okay, for Samiksha, it's okay. What about Ranjit? Where you have gone? Ranjit, बेटा क्या हुआ? Is it clear to you or not? Okay, Ranjit, it's clear. Okay, Ranjit, it's clear. ठीक है, that's good. Let's talk about question number 07 then. I hope question number 06. Guys, it's final call. Question number 06. Is there anyone who still has any doubt? Otherwise, I am moving to question number 07. Okay. Question number 07 is identify the scalar quantity. It's quite obvious. देखो A part में क्या दिया गया? A dot B. Obviously, when you are taking the dot product, what will happen? The quantity will be scalar. Clear, guys? If you are taking a dot product, the quantity, the outcome would be a scalar. Second part, A cross B. You are taking a cross product. The outcome will be a vector. C part, A cross B cross C. It's also a cross product, and outcome is always a scalar. Vector. If you see the D part is 4A. What is 4A? 4A is still a vector. Here, guys. If you are talking about 4A is a vector. Okay, so I hope it's clear to everyone. Now let's move to the next one. चलो भाई next question की बात करते हैं. Okay, that's good. Double thumbs up. Very nice. Let's talk about question number 08. We are moving past to question number 07, and right now we are taking question number 08. Now see here, the question is like this. The maximum resultant of two concurrent forces is 10 Newton and their minimum resultant is 4 Newton. The magnitude of the larger force. Okay guys, just let me know if anyone has any doubt in this section. Okay, that is A. Yes, Shristi, yes. It's clear now? Okay, that's good. What about, please solve. Okay, RM is telling me to solve this. See here, question number 08. It's quite easy. Just remember the formula. Resultant of two vectors that was equals to p square plus q square plus twice p2 cos theta. I hope you can remember this formula. And I told you what is the value of maximum. Maximum simply means when the angle between the vectors is how much? 0 degree. Clear, guys? Means they are parallel to each other. ये हमने discuss किया था. If two vectors are such that the angle between them is 0 degree, in that case they are said to be parallel vectors and the resultant comes out to be maximum. What is the maximum value of resultant? That is R max comes out to be P plus Q. So in this question is saying maximum resultant of two concurrent forces. Let us assume that the forces are P as well as Q. Clear, guys? क्या कह रहा हूँ मैं? जो दोनों forces हैं, that we are considering as P and Q. तो उनकी maximum value क्या होगी यार? Maximum value would be equals to P plus Q. And what is the value of P plus Q? He is telling us 10. Okay. What is the value of minimum resultant? The minimum would be P minus Q. Clear, guys? So what we will do? We will say minimum is P minus Q. See here. R minimum comes out to be P minus Q. And what is this value? P minus Q equals to 4. So see here. We have two expressions, P plus Q equals to 10 and P minus Q equals to 4. If we add the forces, equals to 14. So what is the value of P? That is equals to 7 Newton. And what is the value of Q? That is equals to 3 Newton. Okay. Okay, Ranjit, I have solved this. Just have a look at the solution and let me know if you have any doubt. Okay, I can see two students were there who had problem. Ranjit and Aryan. Just let me know if it is clear or not. Okay, I am telling you voice is breaking. What about rest of the students? Okay, ठीक है यार. Okay, sometimes it may happen. Okay, Siddhi, it's clear. Siddhi is telling me clear like so many hours. Well, means it's Siddhi, I think it's crystal clear, right? So that's why your response is like that. Arjita is clear. Disha, it's clear. Anish, it's also clear. Okay, ठीक है. It's good. It's clear to everyone. Okay. Then वैसे by the way यार weather तो बहुत अच्छा है तुम लोग. It's raining continuously है. But इस weather में means how can you study यार, right? In such type of weather, you are supposed to do only one thing: just have tea with some garma garam pakode, and that's all. It will make your day. Right? Sleep, yes. Sure, that is the favorite thing of human beings, sleeping. क्योंकि by nature see by nature human beings are आलसी होते हैं ना हम लोग. We don't want to do anything until and unless it's final time. All right, Arjita, yes, that's right, that's right. Okay, I think you like writing, Arjita. पकौड़े बेसन की चाय के साथ. अरे पकौड़े बेसन की चाय क्या होती है यार? ओके, फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम हियरिंग दिस. पकौड़े बेसन की चाय के साथ. अरे बेसन के पकौड़े होना चाहिए ना, पकौड़े बेसन की चाय नहीं कह सकते, राइट? Yes, Aryan, you are sure next Sunday is your holiday, okay? Next Sunday is your holiday. Aryan, 100% yes, you guys deserve it at least one day, right? And such a nice weather. Okay, Bhargav, come to the classes और आपको मैं पकौड़े खिलाऊंगा और बेसन की चाय पिलाऊंगा, ठीक है? Yes, yes, right. We can understand. We are just taking it in a good spirit. That's all. Yeah, that's not the surety stress. ठीक है, next Sunday को भी ऐसा वेदर रहेगा. I don't know actually, right? बिल्कुल बिल्कुल अमन, all of you guys are invited. See, basically my flat is at Chhatrapati Chowk. तो बगल में रेडिसन ब्लू है. ऑल ऑफ यू आर इनवाइटेड एट रेडिसन ब्लू. तुम सबका वेट करूंगा मैं वहां पे संडे, ठीक है? या एक काम करो, आज ही आ जाओ सारे के सारे, ठीक है? वेदर इज गुड. व्हेन योर क्लास इज ओवर, आई थिंक इट्स 4 or 5 o'clock in the evening, right? So today we have a party at Radisson Blue. Be there at 9 p.m. Okay? Everybody. Okay, 60. Okay, I think you live in that particular area, Chhatrapati Chowk, right? Okay, so if Radisson is close to you, okay, see here, we are having a party and it's open to all of you. Radisson Blue 9 p.m. फिर मत कहना सबने पार्टी नहीं दी. Okay, ठीक है, right? Okay, guys, so I hope that's all. Okay, and see here, let's come back to question number 09. I just want to tell you guys, like, just enjoy the day, right? Just try to enjoy Corona time also. जब से कोरोना आया है, अच्छा तो पार्टी किस बात की? कोरोना की पार्टी कर लेते हैं भाई. खुश मानव को खुश रहने के लिए रीजन की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है यार. बढ़िया मौसम है, वेदर इज गुड, लेट्स बी हैप्पी. Okay. It's not like you always need a particular reason to do party, right? Okay, चलो ठीक है. तो पार्टी की अनाउंसमेंट मैंने कर दी है, and surely I will wait for you guys at 9 p.m. at Radisson Blue, okay? चलो भाई, okay, ठीक है. Okay, that's so bad luck, Bhargav. I don't know why you are missing the party, right? Okay, see here, let's talk about next question. Right. Question number 09. Okay. Let's talk about question number 09, which I have. The question is like this. See here, guys. Question is like this. Right. Yes, obviously I am the host. I will be there 100%. Now let's talk, guys. पार्टी रात को करेंगे 9 बजे के बाद. अभी एक काम कर लेते हैं, थोड़ी सी पढ़ाई कर लेते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 09. Okay, see here, what is the question? The question is like this: if a dot b, देखो एक डॉट प्रोडक्ट दिया उन्होंने. If a dot b equals to under root 3 ab, then a and b are. Okay, बात तो no problem at all. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट टाइम जब हम लोग पार्टी करेंगे वी विल इनवाइट यू 100%. Okay, D part. Shivam is telling me D part is the right answer. I hope guys this question is obvious to all of you. तो dot product को expand कर दो and you will find out the angle. Yes, Aryan, I am going to repeat this. The question is like this: if A dot B equals to root 3 by 2 into AB. See here the statement is like this. They are saying that A dot B this is equals to under root 3 by 2 into AB. Here guys. So what is the value of A dot B? That comes out to be AB cos theta equals to under root 3 by 2 into AB. Here AB and AB gets cancelled. Cos theta comes out to be root 3 by 2. So cos theta root 3 by 2. What will be the value of theta? That will be equals to 30 degree. And 30 degree means how much? Pi by 6 radian. Okay, it's clear to everyone. So let's talk about the next one. Which of the following is the scalar quantity? It's quite obvious. This work करने को बताया है scalar, right? We already know W equals to F dot X, and because it's a dot product, so already we know that work is a scalar quantity. Clear, guys? Rest of the physical quantities like displacement, electric field, and acceleration, all these things are vector quantities. So it's clear. Okay, let's talk about the next question. That is question number 11. Let's talk about the next question. That is question number 11. Is it clear to everyone? Or anyone has any doubt? Question number 11. Okay. Question number 11 is mod of A. If mod of A cross B equals to mod of A dot B, then the angle between vector A and vector B. The statement is mod of A cross B equals to mod of A dot B. Then the angle between A and B. Okay, Bhargav is telling me it's clear. Prajakta 45 degree, very good Prajakta. Samiksha is also okay. See here, everybody got 45 degrees, so it's quite obvious. Okay, sister, it's clear to you also. Rishabh 45 degree, Shivam clear. Okay, Samiksha, ठीक है. That's right. That's very good. Okay, so I hope everybody got 45 degree as the right option. That's good. Very nice. Siddhi is telling me D part is the right answer. Okay. Okay, guys, that's right. Okay, Ranjit is having a little bit problem. So see here, Ranjit, for you I am solving question number 11. Just look at the board. See here, what is the statement? The statement is mod of A cross B equals to mod of A dot B. Okay, now the first question arises like हमने यहाँ पे mod का साइन क्यों प्लेस किया है? तो so see here guys, देखो जब तुम क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ओपन करोगे, what will be the value? AB sin theta. अब यार एक बात बताओ, sin theta can be positive as well as negative depending upon angle. Clear guys? जो भी sin theta की वैल्यू है that can be positive as well as negative depending upon the angle. तो इसीलिए उन्होंने यहाँ पे mod का साइन लगाया है. See here the mod sign. Mod sign क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? mod sign तुम्हारा रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है कि अगर sin theta तुम्हारा नेगेटिव भी आता है तो due to that particular mod the outcome will be positive. Clear guys? So see here A cross B. What I will write down? I will write down AB sin theta. What is A dot B? That is equals to AB cos theta. Clear? So AB and AB gets cancelled, and what do we have? Sin theta equals to cos theta, which means tan theta equals to 1, which means theta equals to 45 degree or pi by 4. See here, this will be our final answer. Theta equals to 45 degree or pi by 4. So answer is 9 into 5. Yes, right. 45 degree. Okay, so I hope it's clear to everyone. Now let's move to question number 12. Okay guys, I hope it's clear to everyone. Now let's move to question number 12. See here, once again, very easy question. Okay, just like a cakewalk. Okay, P equals to I cap minus 2j cap minus 2k cap. What is the magnitude of P? This is the simplest question, right? Simply, what will be the magnitude? Under root I component square plus j component square plus k component square, and that's all. Clear guys? But let me ask. Is there anyone who still has any problem in question number 12? यार इसमें तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं होनी चाहिए. What is the answer? 3. Okay. Okay, guys. So see here, Soumya, Disha, Ritika, Arjita, and all of the students got as final answer as question number 3. Okay, guys. It's final call. What about question number 12? I hope it's okay to everyone. अब बता दो सारे जल्दी जल्दी हाँ कर दिया करो. 58 स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर. बाकी क्या कर रहे हो हैं? Only 15 to 20 students are there who are providing me constant answer. बाकी सब लॉगिन करके नेटफ्लिक्स देख रहे हो बेटा तुम लोग. मस्त वेब सीरीज देख रहे हो. Okay, it's clear to everyone. Hardly I can see all the students responding. लॉगिन करके मस्त. अबे लॉगिन करके सो जाते हो क्या तुम लोग? Okay, no, I hope. Okay, it's clear. It's clear. Okay, right. Okay, guys. So let's talk about question number 13. Once again, it's very quite easy one. Okay, Shelly, Bhargav, yes. Okay, Bhargav, why are you laughing so much? So many emojis I can see, right? अब फोन भी कर दिया तुम लोगों ने. क्लास ना खत्म हो रही बेटा फोन करने से. Okay, let's talk about question number 13. Once again, very easy. Which of the following is the vector? Energy, power, force, and mass. Which one? Okay, Bhargav, what happened to you? Why are you laughing so much? Okay, questions are shuffled. Okay, right. Sir, login करके सो जाते हैं. हाँ, Bhargav, I thought so. मुझे लग रहा है ऐसा क्योंकि only 20 to 25 students, max to max they are answering. And I can see number. देखो अभी 59 थे. Right now 57 users are there. दो तो बेटा निकल लिए. Okay, guys. Question answer first. See, force. Yes, obviously, absolutely, force is the right option. Force is the right option. Okay, that's good. It's quite easy, guys. है ना? Simple है एकदम यार. Force ही पता है अपने को. बाकी सारी चीजों से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Now, okay. So I hope this question is clear. Let's talk about question number 19. Okay, guys. Let's talk about question number 19. See, force, करना. Okay, Karna, I'm seeing you after a long time. Ritika, okay, thumbs up. Bhargav, okay, that's good. ठीक है. Karna, I hope you are regular in the classes, right? Okay, Shivam, that's clear. Very good. Oh, okay, Karna, are you trying to say something? Anything? Okay. Okay, see here. Read the question. Yes. Let's talk about question number 19, guys. See here. What is this question? Mod of a plus b equals to mod of a minus b. Then the angle between the vectors a and b. See here. We are not supposed to do anything. Just write down the formula. That's all. The question is like this: mod of a plus b equals to mod of a minus b. Then the angle between a and b. Is it clear to everybody? और इसको solve करना है. Just let me know. Okay, guys. Is there anyone who still has any problem in this question? Okay, solve. Okay, yes. Ashish, I am going to solve this for you. Okay, and Soumya and Nikita are telling me angle is 90 degree. Okay, Aman is also telling me that angle is 90 degree. Arjita, okay, solve. Okay, so see here, I can see two students are there. See here, let's talk about question number 19. See here, it's simple. Okay, Ishika, C part, Ritika, C part, that's nice. The question is like this: if mod of a plus b equals to mod of a minus b. Clear, guys? See here what they are saying. They are saying that mod of a plus b equals to mod of a minus b. Okay, guys, clear? Mod of a plus b equals to mod of a minus b. This is the angle between a and b. See here, guys, it's quite simple. देखो, a plus b ये क्या represent करता है? Resultant of two vector. a minus b, what does this represent? Resultant of two vectors. जब दोनों वेक्टर को हमने क्या किया था? Subtract किया था. Clear, guys? So if you can remember the formula, a plus b का formula क्या था? Under root a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. और a minus b का फॉर्मूला क्या था? अंडर रूट a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. Clear, guys? So see here, what is the thing? You will write down under root a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Clear? This will be equals to under root a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. Clear guys? Okay. Now see here, whole square को open कर दो. So what do you have? A square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. This will be equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab into cos theta. Clear है? अब यहाँ से देखो a square gets cancelled, b square gets cancelled. So you have 4ab cos theta equals to 0. अब देखो a and b. What is a and b? 4 cannot be 0. See here, how to analyze this particular situation? We have two terms in multiplication format. Clear guys? तो देखो a 0 नहीं हो सकता because it represents magnitude. B can't be 0 because it also represents magnitude. That means cos theta is 0. So what I will do, I will write down cos theta equals to 0 and it is 0 only when theta equals to 90 degree. Here guys, what do we have? Cos theta equals to 0 and 0 is the possibility when theta is equals to 90 degree. Okay. So Archita, I hope it's clear. Okay, I think okay Archita, I'm just waiting for you. Just let me know whether you are clear or not. And I think there was another student. Okay, I think it's clear. That's good. That's good. Very good. So this was question number 19. Okay guys, very nice, very good. चलो ठीक है. Okay, so let's move to question number 20. Guys, it's final call for question number 19. तुम में से किसी को भी question number 19 पर भी डाउट है तो बता दो. Okay, so let's see question number 20. Next one. Okay, no doubt. Okay guys, I hope it's clear to everyone. Now let's talk about question number 20. Okay. See here, what is question number 20? Bhargav clear. Bhargav is always happy. The first thing I am looking like Bhargav is always happy. Okay, that's good. Question number 20 is like this. See here, this question is based upon integration. And what is the term of integration? Integation of 2 sin x plus 1 by x. Okay. See here, in question number 20, we are supposed to do this. Integration of 2 sin x plus 1 by x into dx. Okay guys, I hope it's clear to everyone. Right Bhargav, that's right, that's the philosophy. That's why I am happy because you are happy, right? See here question number 20. Okay, A part. Is there anyone who has any doubt in question number 20? Guys, it's right time. Sir, solve. Okay. Sure, I am going to solve this for you. Just look at the board and try to understand. Okay, see here guys, what was the rule? If we have plus sign, तो हमें क्या करना होता था? इसको हम सेपरेट कर लेते थे 2 sin x into dx plus 1 by x into dx. So see here, sin x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होता था? Minus cos x. So it will be equals to minus cos x plus log x. You can write down log x or ln x. Both of them are fine. अच्छा, और क्या बताया था मैंने? जनरली वी ऐड अ कांस्टेंट. क्यों ऐड करते हैं वो नहीं बताया था तुम लोगों को. वो जाने की जरूरत भी नहीं है यार, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Okay guys, see here. Everybody just see, if you still have any doubt, just let me know. Okay, we have integrated 2 sin x plus 1 by x. चलो Shivam, Shivam it's final call. Okay, I can see in the chat box it's clear. Project का clear, Tanisha, it's clear to you. That's very good. ठीक है. Now let's talk about question number 21. Okay, so I hope question number 20 is clear to everyone. Right now we are talking about question number 21. Let me read the question. Rituraj, it's clear. Shivam, it's clear. Shelly, okay, clear. Nikita, okay, ठीक है, very good. Very good, very nice. Okay guys, so let's talk about question number 21. See here, how is question number 21? Okay. When a force F equals to something acts on a body and displaces the particle meter, then the work done. Okay. See here guys, they are asking about the work done. Okay. I hope it's clear to everyone. Guys, what about this? I hope it's clear. Question number 21. Okay, Nikita clear, Srishti clear, Soumya clear. Arya, sir. Just take the dot product. Obviously, we are supposed to take the dot product and that's all. We are supposed to take the dot product and that's all. Okay, that's good, that's good. Okay, Tanishq is telling me to solve this. Tanishq, see here, look at the board. Okay, what about rest of the students? Are you okay? It's clear. Okay, Tanishq, look at the board. See here. Whenever you want to find out work, always remember work is which type of quantity? Work is a scalar quantity, right? And how to define work? See here, the formula is W. It's equals to F dot X. Always remember. Work. What is work? Work is a dot product of force as well as displacement. Now see here, what is the value of force? If you can see, this is I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. Okay. Dot x, that is equals to 4I cap plus j cap plus 7k cap. See here, this is our expression. I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap dot 4I cap plus j cap plus 7k cap. Clear guys? So if you take the dot product, what was the procedure? I को I से multiply कर देते हैं, j को j से and k को k से. See here, I का coefficient कितना है 1, I का coefficient 4. So 1 into 4, what it comes out to be 4. J's coefficient 2, j का coefficient 1, 2 into 1 that comes out to be 2. K का coefficient 1, k का coefficient 7, so that is plus 7, and final answer is 30. And what is the unit of work? Unit is joules. Okay, so I hope it's clear to everyone. Okay guys, so it's clear. Acha, next question at 22, 23 and 24. All these questions are very easy. Just let me know if you have any doubt in this section. 22, 23, 24 and 25. I hope all these questions are clear to you guys. Yes, okay, yes, obviously because sequence is changed. So see here question number 22. If sin theta equals to 1 by 3, then the value of cos theta. Guys, what is question number 23? If sin theta equals to 1 by 3, then the value of cos theta. It's okay? Yes, Aman, you are talking about sequence. I am just reading the question. If sin theta equals to 1 by 3, then the value of cos theta. Guys, I hope it's clear to everyone. Okay, that's good, that's good. Yeah, it's easy, yeah, obviously, absolutely, yes, right. Okay, so guys, we are going to question number 23. Yes, C part is the right one. Okay, what is I am telling you 4 by 3. That's right, Ishwari, clear. Okay, Ishika, C part, sir. A plus B multiple A minus B. Okay, see here, if sin theta equals to 1 by 3, you can calculate cos theta by so many formulas. Like first one would be sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. The second formula, वो क्या हो जाएगा आपका? You can also solve it by triangle method. एक triangle बनाना, उसमें sin theta equals to 1 by 3 कर देना, and then you can calculate cos theta. Clear guys? Just like Bhargav, it's just like halwa. That's all. Right. By using identity. Rudraj, yes, right. You can use the triangle also, no problem at all. You can use the triangle also. Okay, so I hope that this question is clear to everyone. Is there anyone who still has any doubt? Just let me know. Okay guys, so I hope this question is clear to everyone. Okay, ठीक है. Let's talk about question number 23. Cos 30 is equal to, यार ये तो क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है, ये तो ऐसे ही दे दिया था, मतलब ठीक है, अगर कोई कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा है तो कम से कम ये तो सॉल्व कर लें. That's all. Okay, yes sister, I can see. No sir, Ayan, it's okay. So question number 23 is okay. यार 23 में मत कहना ना कोई प्रॉब्लम है, ठीक है? If you have any problem in question number 23, just go to you know ना what is that place? Futala. Guys, are you aware of Futala? मतलब it's some sort of picnic place जहाँ पे लोग जाते हैं. Okay, cos 30 is equal to. The question is cos 30 is equal to. Is there any student who has any problem in question number 23? Cos 30 is equal to. Clear. Is there any student who has any doubt in the value of cos 30? No, it's clear. Okay, I'm just looking. I'm just waiting. I hope it's clear to everyone. Okay, right guys. Question number, then let's move to question number 24, guys. Question number 24. Tanish, you see here cos 30 its direct value. See here. In this question, cos 30 equals to under root 3 by 2. I told this in our basic mathematics lecture. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Anisha, it's clear. Shivam, it's clear. Nikita, it's clear. Rajit, it's clear. Okay, guys. So let's talk about question number 24. Okay, guys. Let's talk about question number 24. What is question number 24? Look at your board. Integration of 2 times sin x into dx. Once again, straight formula. What is the integration of sin x? The integration of sin x is minus cos x. Guys, once again we have straight formula. You are just supposed to integrate sin x and its final answer is minus 2 cos x. See here. Integration of sin x, its final answer is minus 2 cos x. Very easy. Very easy. Yes, I have written the question also. See here. Integration of 2 sin x into dx. Yes, sister, that's okay. That's nice. She got here. Integration of 2 sin x into dx. Okay, guys, that's good. That's good. Very nice. Okay. Then let's see the final one. Clear, guys? Let's see the final one. But before that, just tell me whether you guys got the DVPs of kinematics. Kinematics की sheet मिली थी तुम लोग को? No. Okay. Nobody got the DVPs of kinematics. Okay. Why is that so? I already told them. तुम लोग का संडे पूरा वेस्ट हो गया होगा. बाहर निकल के घूम रहे होगे तुम लोग, पानी में भीग रहे होगे, घोटाला में तैर रहे होगे. Okay. So I will tell Melissa to provide you the DVPs today. Okay. Right. Okay. See here, guys. Obviously, यार तुम्हारे पास क्वेश्चन नहीं होंगे तो तुम करोगे क्या? Means everybody needs some time pass ना. फिर वही घर पे बैठ के साथ लोगों के सीरियल देखोगे तुम लोग, मम्मी पापा के साथ. It will be getting us today. Yes, obviously, yeah, obviously. I will tell Melissa to provide you the sheet of to provide you guys the DVPs, right? यार अच्छा भोले भाले बच्चे हो तुम लोग. Okay, ठीक है, right. Okay, very good. ठीक है. बेटा भोले भाले तो नहीं हो तुम लोग, हैं? नो टेस्ट भी रॉन्ग से सवाल के लिए. हाँ, नो टेस्ट. ओके निकिता, व्हाट आर नो टेस्ट मी रॉन्ग. ओके अर्जिता, sometimes you guys write something which I am not able to understand. Okay, ठीक है. Nikita, can you tell me once again what are you trying to say actually? अरे तुम लोग बहुत सीधे साधे बच्चे हो, एकदम जलेबी की तरह. ठीक है. You guys are very सीधा साधा kind of guy. ठीक है. जो just like a जलेबी है. उर्जिता. ओके ठीक है. Sometimes I pronounce the name wrong. तो अगर आपको लगता है कि मैं आपको गलत नाम से बुला रहा हूँ तो just let me know. ठीक है. उर्जिता, right now it's okay. I told you Bhargav, you guys are भोला भाला बच्चा just like जलेबी, एकदम सीधा साधा just like जलेबी है. टेस्ट में जो क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग होंगे थे उसको सॉल्व किया. ओके ठीक है. That's good. Sister, that's good. ठीक है. Now I can understand. Yes, Nilaksha, that's why I am telling you ना, you guys are सीधा साधा बच्चा just like जलेबी. ओके ठीक है. अच्छा, अब भार्गव को कचौड़ी खानी है. अब सुबह इतना बढ़िया मौसम में नाश्ता करवा लो यार तुम लोग. मैं एक तो वैसे ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं करके आया हूँ, ऊपर से जलेबी और कचौड़ी की बातें चल रही हैं यहाँ पे. चलो लेट्स सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. गाइस, लेट्स सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. ओके, once again it's very easy questions here guys. I am reading question number 25. If p equals to I cap plus 3j cap minus 7k cap and q equals to 5i cap minus 2j cap plus 4k cap, then the length of the vector pq. I hope it's okay to everyone. ओके PQ वेक्टर निकालना है. If P equals to I cap plus 3j cap minus 7k cap and Q equals to 5I cap plus 2j cap plus 4k cap, the length of the vector PQ, just let me know. Okay, which option is right? I think B part, root 16, 162 I think. It is root 162. Okay guys, it's clear. Just let me know if there is anyone who still has any doubt in this particular question. Okay, so that was all according to the discussion of your test paper, and I hope each and every question of your test paper is right now clear. Okay, I hope सबको clear हो गया. ठीक है. Okay, so guys, see here because आपको kinematics की DPP नहीं मिली है, and second important point is this. Right, in kinematics we are about to start non-uniform motion, and what we will do, we will start non-uniform motion in next class. Clear? क्योंकि non-uniform motion को शुरू करने के लिए at least we require 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes of theoretical portion, then only we will be able to solve numericals. Clear guys? And as I can see, today we don't have that much time. Clear? And what is the third reason? The third reason is quite simple. The weather is good. I am going to have chai and pakoda. ठीक है? Yes, Bhargav, me too, right? Okay, just talk to Milind sir. Mukul, if you have any doubt, just talk to Milind sir, and he will provide you the video lecture. Okay, guys. So see here, tomorrow we will do a fresh start with kinematics. And remember, the number of questions which you are supposed to solve from kinematic sheet is 15. देखो लास्ट टाइम तो तुमको 10 का टारगेट दिया था. आज का टारगेट मैं क्या दे रहा हूँ? टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन जो तुम्हें सॉल्व करने हैं विल बी 15 क्वेश्चंस. क्लियर? ओके गाइस, सो दैट वाज ऑल फ्रॉम टुडेस क्लास. आई रिमेंबर वन मोर थिंग. भैया तुम लोग भोले भाले मासूम बच्चों, तुम लोगों का कोई भरोसा नहीं है. भाई मजाक में कह रहा था मैं रेडिसन में पार्टी है. देयर इज नो पार्टी एट रेडिसन. क्लियर है? पहुंच मत जाना वहां पे. Then you will say, sir, I was waiting for you from 9 up to 12 and you were not there. Everything is closed. In fact, Radisson is also closed. No dining is over there. इससे पहले हमारे कुछ भोले भाले जलेबी की तरह सीधे बच्चे वहाँ रेडिसन पहुँच जाए. बेटा पार्टी नहीं है. That was just a joke. Okay? Okay guys, that's all for today. चलो bye bye. Take care. गर्मा गर्म पकौड़े खाओ और बेसन की चाय पियो. ठीक है? चलो bye. Okay, before ending the class, sir धोखा ही है बोले बच्चे. अच्छा ठीक है, right. Okay, I'll see you. Bye bye. Take care. See you. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye guys. Okay, end the meeting. Yes. Bye bye.